Chapter 31 Conditional Statement. Conditional statement. Conditional statements in Python always start with the keyword if, followed by the Boolean expression and colon. The code that runs if the condition is true is added below the first line and indented one tab or 4 space. Boolean expression used. For example, you can write a program that displays a message if a game player has reached the expert level. The code that prints skill level expert will run only if the XP experience point is greater than or equal to 90. If the XP is less than 90, nothing happens. XP equal 120 started with if XP bigger than or equal 90 as the conditional statement and a colon after it. Print skill level expert. Intended here to show this print function is the code to run if XP bigger than and equal 90. Skill level expert will print because 190 then bigger than 90. Else statement. An else statement is a statement that runs when the Boolean value is false. To use the else statement, type else on a new line, then on a new line intended one tab, 4 spaces, and where the code that will run if the Boolean expression is false. For example, you could say if XP is greater than or equal to 90, then display skill level expert. But if the user's XP is less than 90, display skill level novice. XP equal 50, if XP 90, print skill level expert, else that's what code should run when the Boolean expression is false, print skill level novice. The example will display skill level novice because XP is 50, which is not greater than or equal to 90. Elif is used to combine an else statement with another conditional statement to check for additional information. Elif is used only after an if or another elif statement. Next to elif, add a Boolean expression or then a colon. For example, you can add another experience level to the game by adding an elif statement to the code. The first condition displays skill level expert if XP is greater than or equal to 90. You can add an elif statement to display skill level intermediate if XP is greater than or equal to 50 and less than 90 if XP is less than 50. Then the last statement will run the code to display skill level novice. XP equal 50, XP the bigger greater and equal 90, print skill level expert. Elif XP, print skill level intermediate. Else, print skill level novice. The flow chart from the program shows the different branches for which conditions start. True, skill level expert. False, true, skill level intermediate. False, skill level novice. Compound conditional statement. A compound conditional statement is a conditional statement that contains two Boolean expressions. For example, you could make a game where the player gets bonus point if the score is greater than 50 and their difficulty setting is set to hard. Local operators combine multiple Boolean expressions or value that evaluate to one Boolean value. Python uses three logical operators, and if both expressions are true, then the whole condition is true. If one or both of the expressions are false, then the whole condition is false. Or if one or both expressions are true, then the condition is true. It doesn't matter whether the other condition is true or false. Now, switch the expression to which opposite from true to false and false to true. When you talk or write about and, or, and na, you use all caps. However, within Python program, the words are written in all lowercase. For example, we could display a special message of player win on the most difficult setting one. Their XP is greater than 50. The compound conditional statement starts with if, and, or, then. We can add a Boolean expression followed by the logical operator and the other Boolean expression. XP equal 150, difficult equal hard. First Boolean expression XP bigger than the greater than 90 and difficult. Second Boolean expression hard. Print you surpass all expectations. Example of how logical operators work. 6. True and false evaluate true. False and true evaluate false. Or 3. True or false evaluate true. Or false and false evaluate false. True evaluate false. Truth table lists all the possible outcomes of logical operator. True table for and, or, and not. And truth table, Boolean 1 and Boolean 2, evaluate 2. True and true, true, true and false, false, false and false, true, false, true, false and false, false. Or truth table. True or true, true, true or false, true, false or true, true, false or false, false. Not truth table. Not true, false. Not false, true. Nested conditional statement. Nested conditional statement can be nested within loops. For example, you could make a game that loops until the game is over. The gameplay could be controlled using compound and nested conditional. Suppose you are creating a game where the user has to enter many three-letter words as they can. If they repeat a word, the game is over. You can use a flowchart to map out the order and direction of actions. Start. Is it gameplay? Yes. Print and enter three-letter words. Set the input to new variable. No end. Is length new words greater than or less than 3 letters? Yes. Print. That's not a 3-letter word. No. Is new word already in list? Yes. Set game over. Print you already entered the word. Print your no 3-letter word. No. Print nice one. Add word to word list. Using the flowchart as your guide, you can create a program. Word. Create a blank list called word. Game, play. While game, play. Start a while loop for game play. New input, enter a 3-letter word. Set a variable new to the user input. If len new bigger 3, then len new less than. The check if the word is 3 letters long. Print that's not 3-letter words. Print if is not 3 letters long. Else, if the word is 3 letters, it moves on the second below. If new in word, the word already in the list, you break out the loop. Game go over. Print, you already said that word. Game over. Print, new word length was 3-letter words. If the user entered the word they already used, it prints the game over message. Tell how many words in the list. Yes, please, nice one. If the word is unique, It prints this was append new. It also adds the word to the list. The next conditional is if the word is 3 letters long and unique, the game continued. I know so many 3 letters words.